are going into the town really quick. We have some errands to run, and then tonight we might go to a church. I don't know, something at mom's church. And dang, I look kind of big up top. My face looks what? I wasn't fat from morning. I wasn't maga. I was eating. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go in the town, like I said, and then we're gonna go back home. Buy one cake, bro. What's it? So you use add some water on the plate? I don't current. What we have? Use current too. We're in Madge's shop. Let me show you the stuff she has. She has nice stuff. If you guys are ever in Lucy, come see her. Where is this, Mom? Well, look, just ask for Madge. You can't, she's an entrepreneur in the game. She can't be missed, guys. She went to go run out in the town really quick. Is this her numbers? She went to go run out in the town really quick. She'll be right back. But yeah, if you're ever in Lucy, come shop at her store. Yeah. Which way? This way? Oh, they cleaned out here. So nice. Guys, we're going home.
I tell you, say, but listen, if you've been a son of a guy, but you see, when you go in there, me take up the leg, I'm going to make this shot go nowhere. When me go in, me go in the yard. I have 20 apartments I live in. That's, you know, see.
Guys, we just got home. Okay, I don't think I've been doing outfits. So chains are by MakedaKerr.com. My top is from Zara, and then my pants are from American Eagle. Oh, I forgot all about these. All right, guys, Mom, you want to say hello to the people?
And thumbs it up.
All right, guys. I could eat like a piece of pudding, Mom, or something.
Oh, no.
So if you come to do something, you tell me if you talk about drunk, bro. You can't go, sir? You come to work and they tell me something work first?
I put you kill you. You know, I'm asking. I kill you. I don't get that tough so much.
What?
You don't go look for your ninja turkey, yeah, that's what you go do. See wall them when you paint it over.
Which one?
West down pan, you paint around there. See they want paint over, so look dirty like through the paint there, you know. You paint around there, so yellow paint around there. You see it around there.
You say you're tough.
You don't see it, how you look?
Oh, say I say, come, can't go to the phone. You Yes,
You round the back.
Full of belly.
What?
You can hurt her.
What? What?
Sila nga lang eh.
What kind of?
What I paint the look so?
Ano sa pet man?
You look fine, you paint them on there?
Isa yan. Wala ka.
This one don't look good.
What color? Let me see
Which
the.
one is that?
Sige. Akul.
So if you know, go for Sunday, they go buy bammy and fish. Here? The part where we now looks. Your face is like I want. You don't like to see your bunny, more you long I'm short. What? You know. No, kapus. You're that Tanga. Clover, mother used to beat him, so.
Really? Really, Clover?
Girl, beat him, kill him.
True. Clover doesn't know nothing about that, ma.
I saw me here say my Monday. But me know when they me know about it. So when they Monday.
Why is it?
The girl used to beat you.
Oh,
Girl tune.
license bank for it.
What did he say?
So yeah, show him blind before he did. Go blind you.
That's cool.
I'm going man in pain management.
Really?
I'm gonna carry sitting.
True?
I feel left.
What did he say? What did he say?
Say God for your master. What's up in the action say? Sorry the palmy. I got it for them and say you can get you. Lucky.
What did he say? Lord of his mercy.
Oh, if you call her from man, I don't know if you're a cemetery. I'm going to call her. Don't ever tell you go to cemetery. You go to cemetery at night? You're too frozy. You're frozen like a blackboard.
You don't put chicken on rice? Neighbor them?
What is he?
You'll be one of the richest man, but you buy too much front. You could have any vehicle anybody have or any big house, but your bank fee are here in front.
Is it true 5 foot?
As you walk one money, you take you get woman, you go and buy scratches.
True 5 foot? What did he say?
Hello, the queen.
Hi.
Hello.
What kind of ice cream do you have?
Orange pineapple, my love.
My favorite.
Orange pineapple.
Okay, I want to get some.
Okay, my lovely queen.
I'm coming. Hold on.
You know,
Huh?
this is too fine to fly Louis coming got man. You know why I think I come over here.
True?
I trouble me, man, my friend.
This is my favorite.
Are your favorite, my queen?
Oh, it's my favorite.
God, man, mommy made a big girl there, man.
Eh?
You know what? I'm a joke, man. Serious? Yes, man.
5 foot's my stepfather.
Serious?
Serious.
My God. Alright. Hold on.
Mom, I wanted a cup. I was gonna eat mine later.
No, I don't have any cup, my baby.
Oh.
Only cone. So if you want to go for your cup,
Go
no
for your
problem.
cup.
Go for your cup, uncle. Oh my God.
This is that day, I respect him.
Yeah, not true. Not true.
I respect Mr.
There's some goat that Francis, goat and cow. You see right, goat and cow.
Oh.
This is fucking up
I'm
Grantan.
butcher them.
Hello, theater, you know some butcher? You butcher, you know?
Really? You have goats?
Yeah.
Mom! Scatter has goats.
Yeah, man, me butcher, man. Long time, man.
Buy my goat.
Him know some old man I went that time.
How tell me about me cream?
Really? You want an ice cream?
Yeah, man. Come here, come.
5 foot's my stepfather. Not true.
I don't know, go say. I don't get me, sir.
50? He...
I don't get me, sir. My old man is in here.
Huh?
My old man was a butcher.
So you sell goats?
Yeah, me raise goat and me butcher goat.
You have a goat now for sale?
What she say?
Do you have any ram goats?
We have one lamb goat, you know.
He has one.
Yes, Ellie. I want that. I'm one goat.
So cans and feet and salt water twice a day for.
What is the life how much?
What $140?
No, sir. You can't buy a goat for 5,000.
It's a bit,
Come on, let's go in on.
Go get some ice cream, 5 foot.
You know, give me a few.
You're my stepfather, of course.
Anyway, they're going to do it.
Everywhere go.
They're going to do it.
Everywhere go.
So much fear is selling for
Serious.
Hey, man, you think that day, your mama tell one?
Much you got this one. Tell me.
Right.
Yeah, you have to tell me what you go to.
About anything.
A big something.
Big one.
You say you want cream, man?
Yeah, man, see you scatter. I got one around my yard.
Yeah.
Where
you get $1,000 for you?
No, why you run from the ladies, them, good people, them.
What good people?
5 foot, let mom get a bite of your ice cream.
No, good people.
No, I'm funny.
What is it?
Share your ice cream with mom.
No.
Let me see if he's gonna share it with you.
No, my man. Listen up.
Well, we are fighting.
Come on, give us a cup.
You can't fight something in
You can't stop him when you school.
Oh, Misha, you don't know old man.
You fool, you know. You fool. A young girl, no, it's a breakfast.
You don't want to go.
We're going to prison.
You might really comfortable till Jesus come here talk.
You have to that now.
Me know.
But if you're buying paneal, why favor? If you're buying dirty,
Alright, if you get $3 and a scatter. So tell me something. What else about the boat?
one goat scatter.
In the boat pan the hike here. The long boat pan here, so the boat there, so. I don't want me kill you and kill you.
What shop woman tell you sell me for?
Give me 120 and make the time.
How big is it? Is a baby?
Me buy one, my brother did other day, me buy one Rami. The Rami big
You
so.
see my phone here, I picture pan it, you take it and come show.
Show me.
But me don't picture pan it. So come mommy there roadside, me live, nobody not do nothing.
Okay.
Hello, my love. And me tell you to come. And nobody can trouble you up there once me did it, and me live up there.
If you want to go, you live up the video.
And this a man you carry him come. Carry him when you come. When you come, you just go to NCB bank, take the taxi, take the job of a party gate. See me house there.
But you don't must did it, every day
No, but you don't plan. And tell me something I go there. If I want early morning or whatever.
Me have a bro man come man, me not
So, you make a final now.
Me sorry say now on phone.
Me have phone.
Fi take him
I won't know. Me
from me yard.
I come back here. The ladies and say I don't want to back here.
You fool,
Who?
you fool. You hug it. Something else here.
Who?
You get any man.
We are better looking now.
Which part?
Man, go for them, man.
You find a little more now. Look how for your big.
I'm black hair and put time flat.
Nah, Scatter me keep quiet and tell them this. Scatter me go call you.
Yes, call me and talk to me. And let me know what they want.
Yes.
Me queen.
Yes.
Why have time to get married and get one little baby and
What?
go?
What?
What? One little young boy. Yes, man. Let me know back. Me tell you. Anyway, take care. How long are they with you?
1 more week.
1 more week. Remember, I said to me,
I looked for you. You didn't come today.
I want to get for you.
Circle back another day.
Today,
Another day. We'll talk.
not Levi smart now.
Yes.
Huh?
How much you get to go cheap for him?
Sweet him up to get the goat treat?
Cheap.
Cheap? How cheap?
He's at 20 get him out. To say you're married to him and listen, that's what you have to do. Hi, idiot.
You enjoyed it? Okay, good. Tomorrow? Okay, bye, fine.
Why not talk when the general talk? Why not talk? I want to them. Why not talk when the general talk? Why not talk when the general talk? Some of us pretend that but we rougher than that. All them a tough up say we tougher than that. Hustle man a hustle every nickel make a muckle. We a count up the paper getting muscle contract. Rewind DJ bring the beat back. I follow them I follow but me leading on the track. Me busy like the bees now. I want to them.
Where's the hammer?
So you want rice coffee sheet, snapper, a 6-1.
In total? Not that total?
No.
Like the fish alone after that?
The fish alone after that, snapper.
Your fish, your snapper. Yeah.
Kaya ba naman?
No. Yeah, you want carrot? No. You have to tell me how you want it. I want it steamed. I want everything steamed. The parrot, I want it fried over here.
Guys, look at the sun. What is it? Set, right? Not sunrise? Oh my God.
That's why I'm planting.
You don't know.
One name is so each other. One name is so each
Yeah,
pepper.
it was that one.
You can have pepper too.
It's okay, I'll eat it.
It's all bammy. You're right. You want more than this? Well, I told bammy there now. What more you want in here?
Any breadfruit?
No, breadfruit. What piece for bammy?
A couple pieces right here.
Outside planting. Sweet food. Couple pieces of it.
Oh, I want to take a picture.
It looks like something there now. Alright, my money saying I want. So we go get tree festivals. I need all that one from. We'll get tree.
Oh wow, it's so pretty. Guys, we're leaving Patchy's. I gotta look at the name again. I'll let y'all know what's going on. Guys, this is the food. So I got bammy, breadfruit, but it's fried, and then a fish. And we got to pick our fish. What happened? What are you wearing? You know I have the same dress in red and black.
I get it from you.
I gave it to you?
Yeah. Long time.
So you have food, my girl.
You have food for me? Never want it. Your food what?
No, I said you have
I'm
food.
not talking to you. Up here. Open it again. Now me key. Where is it? I don't know where you key is. If you're big old mug.
Is she drunk? Lisha, where you get food from?
Yeah, I come here, see. I feel so hungry, pick me. What a Lucy. She said, oh, I know you from Makeda's vlog. I said, oh, I'm famous.
What was her name? What was her channel name?
I didn't ask her.
What she look like?
I'm that girl.
Mm-mm.
I don't come back a fish and go buy. When me go to episode buy fish, a big old fish me buy some.
Yeah, big money.
Big fish me buy.
A lot of the fish were they already took them.
Don't go baby. Maga fish again.
They look a lot. It was busy today.
Busy a pool party.
Pool party?
Wine.
You wined?
All day.
They tipped you?
What's my business? It's so enough and fast.
So who business should I nuff and fasten?
Okay.
What? You're drunk?
No, sir.
You're drunk. I wonder
That's enough for me now. I went for them, you see.
And she was Jamaican?
So she work all your vlog then. I'm sorry, I don't know her name.
What she look like?
A black girl, deaf. Jamaican. You remember say about me? Say about me now, a little piece, please. Where is that smoke here come from? Let me come.
I'm gonna drink tea.
Drinks. Yes, the coffee.
We waited so long.
Look at my fish. It's called Ryking fish.
Why is it called Ryking?
Because it's right. You man, I have no manners.
Huh? Minty?
Yes, mint. Fuck.
Yo, my aunt is a lunatic. Yo, Lisa, are you drunk?
No.
You weren't drinking at work today?
I drank a lot.
You drank a lot?
You say one woman there work today, so girl?
Yeah.
Old woman can't shake.
Really? You didn't take a... Oh, you can't use your phone at work?
You shake, but when you shake come up. You shake left and you shake right and you shake in the center. It's a shake something.
Really?
Leave me alone, country girl.
I was born
by the wheeler in a little town. What was in Japan?
I'm weak.
Never to somebody sing.
How does that song go? Ochi, Ochi. What's that Ochi song, Leash?
Shut up, I don't know it.
Guys, I look crazy. But I'm here with Leash. We are going to bed. Dang, why do I look like this?
You're going to bed.
What are you about to do? Mom, Leisha wants to tell you something.
I don't want to hear it.
Oh? Oh? Leisha's saying some unpleasant words. Will you do anything, Leisha?
A bad look.
Leisha, what happened to all your nails? You took them off.
Take them off.
Leisha!
Take them off, my girl.
Are you drunk?
Is it fast? Maybe jump one more time.
How?
If me
You were drunk, that's it.
If you have me jump one more time, I sure jump in that tonight. Me ain't joke, man. Me and one white man take a shot. And he wine go down and he wine come up. And the woman wine.
Leisha, I wonder if it's this lady. Let me show you this lady.
This lady?
There's this lady dancing, and I wonder if it's her. It has to be her. Sometimes you should stay at your yard and eat your own. Whatever.
You're not so jumpy. I'm not talking to you.
Is it her?
Oh, that's all.
The white lady that was doing your job.
But I want on that.
Guys, we're hanging out. Leisha is off tomorrow. You're not off?
You're not off tomorrow? Eh? I take days off when I want. Run there for you.
What day are you off? Can you say goodnight to the people? Tell them to subscribe and like.
People am alright.
Can you tell the people to like of the video, subscribe? Any day now, Leash. I have some money for you.
How much?
Do the thing first.
Show me money first.
I don't want to get up my girl with my good feet.
I'll be at $1 and $2
They add up, don't they? Beggars can't be choosers.
50 and 20.
Didn't I give you $50 when I came? That should serve me
you
the whole
that to me.
Leash, tell the people to like a video. Just
Good
subscribe.
night. Like and subscribe. What more you want from me?
I didn't believe that.
You believe it?
No.
You can't believe it.
I didn't believe it.
Take the light out my face.
My camera don't have no light on it.
Go to bed.
You go to bed.
Devil's a liar.
That's true. Amen, amen.